Don't marry the woman who has these three habits. First, the one who only thinks about herself. Second, the one who is bitter about everything. Third, the one who is all about material possessions. Being alone is better than being with people who don't value you. Be strong enough to stand alone. Be yourself enough to stand apart, but be wise enough to stand together when the time comes. If their absence brings you peace, you didn't lose them. The sad truth is so many people are in love and not together, and so many people are together and not in love. If someone treats you badly, just remember, there is something wrong with them, not you. Healthy people don't go around destroying others. You cannot hang out with negative people and expect to live a positive life. The wiser are not people who never make mistakes, but those who forgive themselves and learn from their mistakes. Understanding is deeper than knowledge. There are many people who know you, but there are very few who understand you. No matter how badly someone treats you, never drop down to their level. Remain calm, stay strong, and walk away. Don't worry about what people say behind your back. They are the people who are finding faults in your life instead of fixing their own. Bad times don't make bad people. They make strong people. If something is wrong, fix it if you can. But train yourself not to worry. Worry never fixes anything. You are responsible for your happiness. If you expect others to make you happy, you will always be disappointed. Never expect, never assume, never ask, and never demand. Just let it be. If it's meant to be, it will be. Be thankful to what you have. You will end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough. Do the right thing, even if it's hard. The pain of discipline is much less than the pain of regret. In order to change your life, you must change your thoughts. I am no longer accepting the things I cannot change. I am changing the things I cannot accept. Paying attention to how your body feels before, during, and after interacting with someone is self-care. Know the message of your emotions. Anger tells you that your boundaries have been crossed. Fear tells you that you need to protect yourself. Sadness tells you that you need to release and let go. Anger is the punishment we give ourselves for someone else's mistake. Forget yesterday. Live for today. Tomorrow will take care of itself. The past is your lesson. The present is your gift. The future is your motivation. Today, you could be standing next to someone who is trying their best not to fall apart. So whatever you do today, do it with kindness in your heart. If you have the power to make someone happy, do it. The world needs more of that.